Are you tired of listening to us talk?
Well, yeah.
I don't blame you. So occasionally, we're going to ask you some questions.
I'm Greg Lang. I'm recently retired from a career in product and strategic planning at Toyota North America. But more importantly, I'm a member of Oktoberfest Racing. Always wanted to race wheel to wheel, did some autocross, but it's really not the same. And Lemons was really the only way to make it accessible and really hasn't disappointed. At this point, I've moved to Texas. Our team is Long Beach based, so it's really become a great way to get together with friends a few times a year and share the racing experience. Oktoberfest Racing is a BMW 2002, and we started with a 1976, completely stock, put a theme on it, most importantly, put a tap on the back, and we showed up and raced. At this point, we've gone through a few iterations of 2002s, and we figure the current one is a 1971 and a half, based on the things spliced together to make the car. Over time, it's gone from completely stock, it looked like it would tip over when you went around a turn, to a pretty competent but beat up old race car. You know, the biggest win, I think, was frankly just getting out there and doing it. We're all newbies. You know, we found this 2002, fixed it up, got it ready for the track, and we started with 20-minute stints. So everybody could get a chance before the car blew up. And then it lasted that, and we're like, okay, let's go with 30 minutes, and then longer and longer and longer. So we did a lot of pit stops, but in a field of 101 cars, we were virtually the slowest car on the track, and we finished 49th. So I think that, in a way, is our biggest win. The team's motto is deliver the car, Liefern das Auto in German. And so anytime that we brake or smash, we've been hit a lot. I don't know, maybe a couple times we've contacted other cars from our doing. Usually it's getting punted or braking. It's a 50-year-old car. Anytime we fail to deliver the car is a fail. I kind of dodged the question, I suppose. I suppose the biggest fail was we did a 24-hour race, a true 24-hour race at Buttonwillow, and we crashed the car in hour 2. So we never got to experience the full 24-hour experience. One of my teammates, Dan, always said if he wins the lotto, he's buying a Ferrari and we're taking it Lemons Racing. But of course, we'll have to install a tap on the back. We joke we're more of a drinking team with a racing problem. We pour beer out of the back Friday and Saturday night. We figure hopefully it buys us some goodwill on the track. Number 414, look us up in the pits and come by. We'd be happy to pour you a beer.
Every second you don't subscribe or watch one of these videos, another Vega is sent to the crusher. Won't you help us save Classic?